Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's short video, I bought in Life Pharmacy, charan! Dr. Pau Pau Tinted and Original Balm Lip Balm. So we will do this one. This is for cheek and lip balm according to Kel. So we will first try the Dr. Pau Pau Original Lip Balm. So sabi ni Kel, sikat daw to sa Philippines because most of the celebrity actress are using this balm. Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya, Charis? So this is a hydrating and nourishing balm for lips, skin, cuticles, and many more uses. Ang sabi. And it's made in Great Britain. Mandaka. Great Britain. Okay? Hindi po Great Britain. Great Britain. So we will try. Oh, hindi pa pala bukas. Bukas na ba ito, Mars? Paano ba ito binubuksan? Is it open? Ah, yeah, it's open but it's sticky. Sticky siya.
Yeah, bit ba na eh.
So, para pala siyang ano, it's just like petroleum jelly, which I'm also using every night before I go to bed. So, ayan siya. Tinted Dr. Pau Pau Balm. Hindi ba balm? Ayaw mo ng balm?
Balm nga.
Is it silent L? I think so. Balm. So the tinted one has magenta packaging color. So I assume this also colored magenta. Charis. So this is it. Ang daming arte na bakla na. So we bought this Dr. Pau Pau Balm in Life Pharmacy here in UAE. Half cost ba, Mars? Hindi, no? Itong lip balm. So ano, sticky pala.
Pwede din siya sa cheek.
Lip
and cheek.
Sabi ni Dr. Vicky Bello, ha? Lip and cheek. Mars, I think nagiging kamukha ko na si Maha Salvador. Charis. Pink siya, oh. Pink in color. Mamink-mink. Di ba yun mga gusto mga voice? Mamink-mink ang kinakain nila. So here it is.